Hi, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to WeatherBug on this Thursday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. By the way, today is the last or second to last day of meteorological fall. Meteorological winter begins this upcoming Saturday, and that marks the date at which the coldest 3 months on average here in the northern hemisphere are upon us. So let's talk about the weather ahead as we start off meteorological winter. It's actually going to be warming up quite a bit. So the midsection of the nation will be warming up almost 20 degrees versus what you're seeing here. Some fairly mild stuff down to the south. We are going to watch a very large Pacific storm out west impact the weather nationally speaking, but plenty of cold air as you head up into the Arctic region. Single digits above and below zero for daytime highs. High temperatures yesterday from normal. Post front still a little bit cooler than average, but out west already starting to show signs of that warming, and Denver today could be close to 20 degrees above average. Satellite radar showing a few clouds, a couple of very light showers down to the south early this morning, but generally very quiet along the I-95 corridor as you head up into the northern New England states. A few lingering snow showers and some lake effect snow showers downwind of Lake Superior. But that northwesterly flow, the persistent northwesterly flow, being replaced by a westerly, zonal, almost a southwesterly flow now because this storm is starting to move a little bit farther off to the east. Heavy precipitation on the western coastline, and that has resulted in some high elevation snow already, some very strong winds, and this will continue. Here are just a few of the weather headlines, kind of a potpourri of sorts in terms of wind, heavy rain, and high elevation snow. Some of that mountain snow could be upwards of a couple of feet, winds gusting over 60 miles per hour, and some coastal flooding. There will be some inland flooding as well. This is just a look at the NOAA HPC 5-day forecast. And look at this bullseye right over Northern California. Still, through early next week, we're talking in the order of 5 to near 12 inches of precipitation. And that's liquid. Some of that will be in the form of just plain old rain, but some of it in the form of snowfall. As you head up north, the I-5 corridor, heavy rainfall continues and precipitation continues that way. Snowfall through Monday will be heavy in the peaks of the northern Rockies, the northern Cascades, and also through the Sierra Nevada. We're talking, again, 1 to 2 feet. The ECMWF doesn't really show signs of that storm breaking down, maybe wobbling north and south through midweek next week. But because of that storm, it keeps the midsection of the nation quite mild through that time period, so no big major snow outbreaks coming in. The temperatures, again, will also be going up quite a bit through that time period. Here's a look at high temperatures out there today. Watch the warmer air begin to slide north, so then by Sunday, talking 70s from Denver to St. Louis, and by Monday, that'll continue.